Hello everyone, welcome today. Today, on Thursday, April the 29th, 2021, we don't have an additional. I've told you earlier, we only have one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and I've promised I will continue with the extra Sudokus of yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021. We have four puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. Then we have a tectonic and a binary puzzle left. So I will continue with the Sudokus and the puzzles of yesterday, Wednesday, April the 28th. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be a number 2712, I believe. Yes, 12. All right, 12. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can leave a comment. But I've counted, so I'm sure there are 27 printed digits. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Of course, I picked the most printed digit. For example, I see here 5 printed digits of the number 5. So let me start with the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then. I cannot continue with the 5, of course. Alright. Then, let me see the number. Alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 6. Okay, I cannot continue with the 6. Need more information. How about the number 7? Alright. We have I can now continue with the 5. Go back with the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. Then, how about yeah. 3, 4. 3, 4. Alright. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 3, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and an 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So those 2 boxes in this big square, we have here 1 and an 8. These should be the 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2, I believe. Yes. Then. Let me see. 1, 6, 9. Nope. No. How about the 3 in this row, the last row? 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1, okay. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. One of those 2 boxes is 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. Here also a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. All right. We have a pair, 1 and a 4 in the 3rd column, 1 and a 4 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 4 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes, as a pair. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there's 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the 3rd column, 7 in the 2nd column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be in 1. All right, 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. All right, 1 in this row, the 3rd row, 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. All right, and all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 1 number left in the last column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And no, the 4s are used. I can C. Digit number 3, number 4. All right. One number left in this first column for the number 5. Yes, no, 5 we already have. How about the number 8? 8 is missing. Yes, 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Yeah, 3 is missing. All right. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing in this big square. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Here also 9 and 6 are missing in this row. But we have a 6 here. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. All right. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright, 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 and a 9 are missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have now 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9. Yes, now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Alright. I'm very well pleased with the time because for a 1 star, I need 10 to 15 minutes to solve. Yes. So, yeah, I'm very pleased with time. And I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of this edition of yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 28th. Sudoku with 2 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.